So I got, come here, girl. Oh, come here. Come here. Oh, this is my girl. This is my nude little girl. She's, oh, I love you too. I love you too. Oh, you have puppy breath. Anyway, she's new. Let me move this knife out of her way. There we go. Make sure she's okay. Oh, she's giving me a run for the money. Oh, look at her little tail going. Anyway, she's so tiny. She's literally 7 weeks old. And she's a beagle. Nope, you don't get my onion. Stay off the onion. Nope. Hope. Nope. Nope. Anyway, her name obviously is Hope. And I just wanted to introduce her to the show. You'll see more of her as she gets older and more trained. All right? All right, come here, sweetie. I love you. Ready? Go play. Go. Oh, she's just sitting there. Okay, so she loves crapping in the kitchen. I don't know what it is, but she loves to poop in the kitchen for some reason, right in front of the refrigerator. I know I'm going to slip and break my neck. No, stop. Don't chew on my shoe. Anyway, let me go put her away, and I'll be right back to start this dish, okay? Okay, so this recipe here is called egg roll and bowl. And I absolutely love it because it's everything great about the egg roll except the roll. Okay, so let's get this thing started. Let me go over the ingredients really quick. You know, I saw this literally yesterday, and I pulled out all the ingredients because I have coleslaw, I have ground pork, I have onions I can dice up, I got ginger ground, I've got sesame seed oil, and some soy sauce. So I had it all. I got excited, and I'm doing this video spur of the moment. So we're gonna start with some soy sauce. Pour that in there. There's our soy sauce. Gonna take just a tiny bit of sesame oil. Come on. Take a little bit of ground ginger. Put that in there. We're gonna get this warm, then we're gonna start browning our pork, okay? All right, guys. Go ahead and drop that in there. It doesn't have to be sizzling hot just yet. It'll get there as you break it up. Alright, this meat isn't brown yet. We're watching it brown. But in the meantime, I'm going to throw my onions and my seasoning in, okay? So we can get the onions in here, get them all softened up. Get some garlic in here and some black pepper. You see how it's almost all brown. It's not completely brown. There's some little red spots. You want to keep cooking it. The onions are getting soft. You see them get moist and glazy. That means they're softening up and the moisture is coming out of them. Alright, I want you to do me a favor. We're going to keep cooking this, but I want you to do me a favor. Use as much of the coleslaw as you want, okay? I'm going to put a whole bunch in. Because the great thing about coleslaw is as you cook it, it shrinks down. It literally shrinks down. So go ahead and spread that out. Spread the love. And I want you to just cover it for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You're going to give this enough to wilt the lettuce and get that going. Then we'll put our sauce in and mix that in. So we're just wilting and softening up the cabbage right now. All right, let's see how we're doing here. Yep, get everything mixed in. Get your meat mixed in. And we're going to drizzle that. There we go. Starting to look familiar, isn't it? It's looking more like an egg roll by far. And that's it. You got all the egg roll goodness in a bowl without the egg roll part. Okay guys, so I got a whole skillet full of this stuff. So I had to turn the fan on while I was cooking because I didn't want the fire alarm to go off like it always does when I film. And the puppy is like sleeping right over there. So don't want to wake Hope up, all right? I wonder if Hope likes the filling of egg rolls. She probably doesn't know yet. Anyway, so let's give this a try though. Oh, by the way, don't feed your dog egg rolls. Definitely, that was a joke. All right, here we go. Wow. It works. That's an egg roll in my mouth. Guys, you're going to have to judge. The only tip I'm giving you is I would have put more cabbage in. Put more cabbage in. Put the whole bag. And get one of those big family size bags. Steam it all. Put it in there. I love the crunch of the egg roll with the vegetables crunching inside. So this, I recommend you make it this way. Same amount of sauce, same everything. But go ahead and put the vegetables in heavily, okay? Because that's amazing. You might want to put water chestnuts in. You might want to put sliced carrots in, some almonds in. I have no idea. Have fun with it. Took 15 minutes like that. Almost like a lazy man recipe, huh? All right, you guys. Have fun. Enjoy. I'm going to go play with Puppy because she's waking up right now. I love you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.